In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy cards in Trello. Copying a card is a quick way to reuse work you've already done without starting from scratch. It's perfect for recurring tasks, project templates, or moving a tried-and-true setup to a different board. Make sure you're signed into Trello and have access to the board where you want the copy to live. Start by opening the card you want to duplicate. Click on the card so its full details appear. This brings up everything attached to that card, like descriptions, checklists, labels, and comments, so you can see exactly what you're about to reuse. Don't worry, nothing you do in the copy process will change the original card. On the right side of the card, look for the Action section and select Copy. This opens a pop-up window that guides you through customizing your duplicate. You'll see a field for the card's title. Type a clear, descriptive name for your new card. A helpful tip is to include a date, sprint name, or specific context so you can tell the copy apart at a glance. Next, choose where the copied card should go. Pick the destination board, then the list on that board where the card should land. If you're staying on the same board, you can simply choose a different list to place it. You'll also choose the position, either at the top or bottom of the selected list. Top is great for urgent tasks you want to see right away. Bottom works well for items that can wait their turn. Now decide what content to bring over. You'll see checkboxes for elements like comments, labels, checklists, and attachments. Turn on only what you need. For example, checklists are ideal for recurring workflows, while labels help maintain consistent categorization across boards. If you include comments, the text copies over, so the discussion context is preserved. For attachments, keep in mind that Trello may link to the existing files rather than duplicating them, which is typically what you want to avoid clutter. Once you've set the title, destination, position, and selected the elements to include, click Create Card. Trello will create the new card with the options you chose. You can navigate to the destination list to confirm it's there. If you're using a naming convention, glance at the title to make sure it matches your standards, and you're done. That's all it takes to copy a card in Trello. With this workflow, you can build consistent processes, save time, and keep your boards organized without reinventing the wheel each time.